Wobble flower tutorial. Leave an 8-finger tail when inflating. Poke your finger into the balloon. With the other hand, grab the knot and twist it a few times. Next, twist a 2-finger single bubble. In total, you need to twist 7 identical 2-finger single bubbles. Twist in the same direction so that the balloon doesn't come undone. After twisting, pair and tie off the last 5 bubbles. Thread the apple twist through the center. Push the air backward. Twist off a 3-finger single bubble. Next, twist a 3-finger loop. Continue making 2 loop twists of equal size. Adjust the shape of the balloon. Have you got the hang of it?